dive deep into the darkness in your heart. Trust you more than anyone I have met before. I don't care who you are or who you want to be. I'll be here until.
Sometimes it's hard to be happy, and it's okay if you're not. Be happy, be sad as much as you can. You are here to experience life, not to numb yourself. Walking between those huge walls around Assila, questioning what those people were thinking to build those gigantic walls near the ocean. Is it protection or showing power? Both of the cases reflect one thing: we can do anything we want together, build as well as destroy. Have you ever noticed when you are happy, times go so fast, and the opposite when you are sad or depressed? Do you know that we don't know yet if time is reality or illusion? Did you ask yourself, is time exist or it's only in our watches? A bunch of things have been told about time, but it's all just theories. The way we see things and measure it, it's totally different from other species. For example, ant. Do you imagine what is the ant's day, hour, month, or lifetime? It is just the same thing for us. 1 year on Earth equal 1 day on other planet. That's how small we are in this universe. You should know that you are not special in this world, but your existence is much magical than you are thinking. Do you know that with all the scientific progress, there are no scientific rules to our existence? It's all theories. Our existence is a theory. I watched a video yesterday of a man who was judging religion in general. And I want to ask you something, guys. Whoever is listening or watching this video, would you choose a simple-minded community that respects religion? They don't drink, they don't smoke, they're not criminals, they're not greedy people, they're not destroying the planet in a way or another. Or community of smart people, they respect nothing, they are drinkers, smokers, drug consumers, and maybe dealers, and criminals, politicians. By the way, politicians are criminal too. Not all of them, but most of them. I personally would rather have a simple-minded people around me than smart people who are stupidly destroying the planet. Let's be realistic and deal with what we have now. Why would I wonder about if I'm descended from apes or aliens or energy when we are running faster than ever to our end? For example, if your cat is suffocating now and you are thinking and wondering about her origin, either you are hallucinating or you are high. I don't know why those people are discussing religions when other people either they are killing each others, or when I say killing, that doesn't always mean blood and killing people. Some people are producing products that are killing people slowly every day and nobody takes the blame for that. While others destroying the planet and we are naming them successful people. I'm sure you're smart enough to make research to find out what's the dark side of any reality. I know it may sound vague, but no need to mention names and places. I would love to see people from all around the world working together to save each other. No matter what's your color, beliefs, religion, education, or social class, we breathe the same air. Why we discriminate each other? Why do you think that you are better than others? Are we losing our morals and principles? Are we turning to something else? Is it part of the process or just a shift? Endless list of questions. We are not only badly adapting and managing the environment, but also poorly dealing with our conscious existence, and worse than that, we are competing each other. Do you know? A small insect like bee is a very important creature for our existence. But we are at the mercy of selfish individuals who are greedy enough to kill us all for their benefits. I don't know where did we get the audacity to cause that chaos and misery to this planet. Wherever you are, I want you to spread love, kindness, and mercy.
Can I dive deep into the darkness in your heart? Trust you more than anyone I have met before. I don't care who you are or who you want to be. I'll be here until the day that you leave me.